You're a tinkerer, an adventurer, a scientist, and a leader, ready to explore what's next for you. You know that means diving in and getting your hands dirty. At 4-H Academy at Purdue University, you will follow your curiosity over 3 days of real-life learning on a subject of your choice. You can choose from animal science, emergency medical services, natural resources, aviation, civic engagement, or one of many more. You'll explore Purdue's state-of-the-art facilities, led by professors, graduate students, researchers, and industry experts. And you'll see what it could be like to pursue post-secondary education and a career in your area of interest. Together with high school students from all around the state of Indiana, you'll get a taste of campus life and make lifelong friends. Ready to take a small step toward your next giant leap? Join us for 4-H Academy at Purdue.